One of the biggest problems with dropshipping is that it can take longer than usual for your customers to receive their product. So what usually happens? You get hit with multiple emails from your customers asking where their package is. But don't worry, because I found the best solution that will automate the shipping process for your customers and keep them informed every step of the way. And the best part is that it's completely automated. That way you can focus on the more important parts of your dropshipping business rather than having to repeat yourselves over and over again to your customers. So let me show you how to make your dropshipping life easier. So to help automate your shipping process and provide a better experience for your customers, I personally use an app called 17TRACK, and I connect this to all of our Shopify dropshipping stores. So this is pretty much what the app looks like, and what it does is that it syncs all of your tracking numbers for all of the orders that you got on your Shopify store, and it's able to automatically read your tracking numbers and connect them to the correct shipping company depending on the country that you're actually selling to. So for example, on this store, we're mainly selling to all of the top English-speaking countries. So you can see we have tracking numbers for United Kingdom, we have tracking numbers for Australia, Canada, New Zealand, and of course United States. So the reason this is really good is that you get a really easy to see view of all of your tracking data for all of your orders, rather than going one by one into your Shopify dashboard and trying to see the status of all of your orders. So as you can see at the time of recording this is April 15th, and all of our orders have up-to-date statuses from April 14th and even April 15th. So this just gives me an idea of like where our packages are at and to see how stable our fulfillment is. And of course, not only does it make it easier for Shopify store owners to read the data of our packages, but it also allows your customers to easily read the data of their packages as well. So another great feature about 17TRACK is that it allows you to customize a tracking page and directly embed that into your Shopify store. So if you go into this tracking page on the left-hand side, you have the ability to customize the tracking page. So let me go ahead and press this button. And this is pretty much how the page is going to look like for your customers. And they have the ability to either enter their tracking number, which is provided to them once you actually fulfill the order on your Shopify dashboard, or they can simply enter their order number and the email that they use to make the order on your Shopify store. So once your customer actually looks up the tracking information, this is pretty much what it's going to look like. It's going to have a message saying that your order is in transit. It's even going to give you an estimated time of arrival, and your customer will be able to see every step of the way of their shipment process from this page here. And it also shows their order number, their tracking details, how many days it's been since the package has actually been shipped. So for example, this one says it's been about 10 days, and then it will also show the product that they ordered. And what's really great is that this app actually lets you customize the tracking page so that you can actually match it with the theme and the branding of your store. So if we go on the left-hand side and we go to colors, so if I select something like red, for example, you can see that it changes the buttons into red and it makes everything else red, which can give like a more branded feel for your customers because it will be matching the theme of your store. So having a tracking page embedded into your store is great for a number of things. Number one, Shopify by default does not have a feature to include a tracking page directly into your store. And number two, it just gives a more branded experience for your customers and a more convenient way for them to constantly keep track of their shipment, which should ultimately prevent the number of emails that you will receive from your customers. And in case you didn't know, customers on average will check the status of their order about 4 to 5 times if the delivery takes longer than 1 week. So if you're ever curious, 17TRACK also has an analytics section so that you can actually view the data and see how many customers are actually visiting your tracking page and constantly looking for updates on their order. So for example, I'm going to look at the analytics for our store and I'm going to filter it to the last 30 days. And as you can see, in the last 30 days, we had more than 1,000 customers look up their order information. So if we look at the graph over here, we can see that on March 16th, we had about 89 people look up their information, and pretty much on a daily basis we're getting like 40 to 50 plus people constantly looking up their order information. But the best part is that we're not really getting that much emails because they're easily able to read the data directly from the tracking page provided by 17TRACK. So another great feature about 17TRACK is that it automatically sends out emails to your customers along the entire journey of the shipment process. So if you go to the left hand side here and go to notifications, if we scroll down here, you could pretty much get an idea of every step of the shipment process starting from when the tracking label was actually generated. So you can see here I have every option checked where it notifies the customers by email, letting them know when the package actually has been shipped. And it also has other notifications in case something goes wrong with the package delivery. So sometimes for whatever reason, the mailman can have some issues delivering the package, which will then probably send a notification to your customers saying that it's undelivered. And then you'll have other alerts just depending on whether the post office is undergoing specific delays and things like that. And within all of these notifications, you can actually click this button that says edit template so that you can actually edit how the email looks like, and of course match it to the brand and the theme of your store. So if we select edit template, this is pretty much what it looks like, and you can have the ability to add multiple elements like columns, headings, text, buttons, and basically whatever you want. And here's just a few examples of how you can make your email templates look like to give a really branded experience for your customers while also increasing your average order value by including other products within your emails. So again, this feature alone has dropped the amount of emails that we receive from customers because 17TRACK is automatically doing the work for you. So another great feature that 17TRACK recently added into their app is a buyer protection service for your customers. And pretty much what this does is that it actually reimburses all of your customers in the event that the package becomes delayed, lost in transit, or becomes defective when they receive the product. So usually when it comes to issues like this, the first thing that your customer is going to do is actually contact you, and then you're going to have to contact your dropshipping supplier, and you're going to have to deal with all of that. The difference with this buyer protection service is that it's going to allow the customer to file a claim with them, and they're going to handle all of those issues for you. So the way this works is that when the customer is actually purchasing the product from your Shopify store, during checkout, they're going to be presented with an option to add buyer protection onto their order. And it's usually going to be a very small fee of about 98 cents, and that's for orders less than $100. But if the order is over $100, then they're going to charge about 1.5 to 5%, just depending on whatever the value of that order is. And keep in mind, this small little fee is not something that's yours to keep. It's going to be something that's going to be paid directly to Seal, which is the company that is partnering with 17TRACK to present this buyer protection program. And the incentive here is that they're going to reimburse your customers for specific issues that they experience with the order that I just mentioned. So for example, a common issue that most dropshippers face is that their packages can sometimes take more than 30 days to deliver to customers. So if that happens, what Seal is going to do is actually give a $5 Visa gift card to your customers if it actually has taken more than 30 days for the package to be delivered. And then let's say, for example, the package arrives defective or becomes lost in transit, meaning it never gets delivered to the customer. Then what Seal is also going to do is provide a Visa gift card of the full amount that your customer originally paid for their order, which is great because now you're not going to have to lose money and refund the customer from your end. What Seal and 17TRACK are doing is actually reimbursing on your behalf. And the way this also makes your life easier is that everything is going to be done through the tracking page that is on your store. So when a customer looks up the tracking number on your Shopify store, it's going to present a message that looks something like this, saying that their order is actually protected by the buyer protection program. And in the event that they actually have an issue, they're going to go ahead and report the issue directly to them instead of you. So again, this is just another way to make your life a little bit easier when it comes to issues of deliveries for your customers. So that's pretty much the 17TRACK app in a nutshell. Basically, the whole purpose of this app is to allow you to have a much easier overview of all the tracking numbers for your Shopify dropshipping store and constantly keeping your customers informed of their package every step of the way of the shipment process, and also helping you out with your after sales services, such as when your package becomes defective, delayed, or lost in transit. So again, this app is perfect for dropshippers of any level. They do have a free plan available as long as you're doing under 200 orders per month. But even if you're doing more than 200 orders per month, this is definitely something you do want to provide for your customers, because the more orders you're doing, the more potential emails that you're probably going to receive if you don't have a service like 17TRACK. So be sure to scroll down below. There will be a link available to download the 17TRACK app for your Shopify store. I really hope that you'll find this app useful, as I definitely have for all of my Shopify stores, because it's greatly reduced the amount of emails that we receive from our customers, and it overall just helps us strengthen the back end of our fulfillment process and provide a better experience for our customers. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions, be sure to leave a comment down below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you want to see more valuable videos about Shopify dropshipping just like this one. With that being said, my name is Tay, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.